Loading, loading, loading na, loading, loading na, loading, 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 loading. Himala, kasalanan ba? Anderson Gomez, hello to you. Good evening from Philippines. Kasalanan ba? Humingi ako sa langit. Isang himala. Sa tuwing magkikita ko. Araw ko. Pinag-lotion yun. Oo na magkatabi. Oo, oh. Oo na magkatabi. Oo, oh. Ay, atay. Ay, atay. Naun sa nakinig. Bakit nga? Bakit nga? Bakit nga? Bakit ngayon kung kailan ang aking puso'y meron ng laman? Oh, sana'y nalaman ko na darating ka sa buhay ko. Di sana'y maghintay ako. Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap at ang iyong kamay lagi ay aking hawak at hindi ka bakit parang may humaharang lagi dito at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Ay, nababaliw na si Janine. Ayan, the house is crazy. The house is so crazy. I'm crazy thinking what happened to the signal. Yan, it's always raining here. Ayan, day and night is wet. Tawag dito. The floor is wet. The ground is wet. The leaves and the trees and the plants is also wet. My goodness gracious. I don't know what happened. Why it's always raining. Always raining. But I don't think if there's some storm or typhoon that comes to the Philippines this coming December, but it's always raining here. And it's just now that the raining has stopped only this hour. But yesterday and last night was raining. It has a heavy rain. Heavy. It was a heavy. It was heavy. Heavy rain. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, go away. Rain, go away. Come again another day.